Everyone is a cheesecake lover, especially if it's easy and fast to make. So for today's recipe, we're going to make no-bake Nutella cheesecake. This is perfect for summer because it doesn't require you to turn on your oven. First step, we're going to crush our Oreo cookies. Add the melted and salted butter. And then crush the biscuits until it is all moistened. Okay. Now I'm going to use a 9-inch cake pan. And always put a cake board inside the cake pan as well, so that it's easier for you to remove your cake when it's ready to serve. Now I'm going to pour the crushed Oreo biscuits into the cake pan. Okay, I'm going to finish everything. Okay, and then press it. I'm going to use the back of my hand to press it firmly. Chill this in the fridge until ready to use. Now let's start mixing our Nutella cheesecake mixture. Add the cream cheese, sugar, and Nutella. The kids will love this cheesecake because most of the kids love Nutella, right? So I'm going to finish everything. This Nutella jar is 350 grams. Okay, so just making sure, finishing everything. Okay. Now start beating until everything is well combined, creamy and smooth. Okay, I'm turning up the machine because everything looks good. Now I'm going to move on with my cream. Adding the gelatin powder. Give it a good stir until the granules is dissolved. Turn on the heat to medium. And let it simmer until the gelatin is melted, and continue stirring it to avoid lumps. Okay, the gelatin is already melted. I'm going to turn up the heat. and let it cool to room temperature. Now we're going to add the gelatin and cream mixture into the bowl. And use a strainer just to make sure there are no lumps of gelatin inside your cheesecake. Okay, make sure you finish the cream. So as you can see, there is still lumps of gelatin. So always make sure you use strainer, okay? I'm going to mix it first before turning on the machine, because if you turn on the machine right after you add the cream, it's going to splash all over the kitchen, and you don't want that, okay? Add some vanilla extract. And continue beating until everything is well blended and smooth. Okay, everything is looking good. Remove the excess cheesecake mixture from the paddle attachment. Scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl just to make sure everything is well blended. It's time to pour our cheesecake mixture into our prepared cake pan. Okay. You have to put all your strength in doing this. Just going to shake the cake pan a little bit to level my cheesecake. Chill this in the freezer for 4 hours. Let's start making the ganache. This will be the top layer of our Nutella cheesecake. I have whipping cream here, and I'm going to simmer it. Turn on the heat to medium. Once the cream starts simmering, turn up the heat and pour it over the chocolate. And you mix it until it's well blended and creamy. And let it cool to room temperature. Pour the ganache on top of the cheesecake. Okay, shake the cake pan. Chill this in the fridge for another 30 minutes. Before I release the cheesecake from the cake pan, I'm going to dust some cocoa powder on top. I'm going to run the knife around the cake pan. This will help to release the cake from the cake pan. Okay, looks perfect. I'm going to garnish the cake with Ferrero Rocher. I will be needing 8 whole Ferrero Rocher chocolate, and for the 3 pieces, I'm going to crush them. Transfer the cake to a cake board.